Waje ko so la nyemi me. Mene Nick Insurance TV. Obeko. Mene wanika semo wombiake. Mini ji dwemoni sani woke wo ajinami. Dani wabaka ke. Keji ye life insurance kwe. Nke ba fe noko abiabo ninjo walami. Neke dwemo ke kpaimo ne ehia na akpa. Eja keji woke neke eya ajinami ni wote shikeka ke wo life insurance won he alo won kemfe no kwe kokwe na ye okpata shika he ni se namo eya ba ojugbe ha wo ewo kenkle wo ba bi wo hiake keji minto ni ya jie shikako ye in life insurance ni yomi alo minta onakpa shika hia hami alo min insumo ni mafedon ni nke mbanagbe alo nke adomo nuko na noni sanima bin hiake aso ehia alo keji ehia na akpa ninkwe inchika gbejanoto ninkwe nibi ninke afe benuele beka keji je na kenoni ji enyo isani okwe gbejanoto ni yo insurance me before back at terms and conditions. Many jigbedianoto na meke function. Ke ha keji aleno o bobakpa oshika hi. Alo oke adomo nukuna. Alo oke ofe don. Alo utawoshika afaboshika. Isani okwe mingblamo ni jomi ojugba. Nodi teno ni isani wokechu ni jake wake moko bayui ni je moko keke shi moko ni ye nile ye insurance nuchumo befang moko ni ye nile ni ebanye negbla ni bia mi ficho echonwo akeshi keji ofe neke hwe bahi ni jeme obabiake na meji me ni yo nile ye insurance nuchumo mi aloshika to nuchumo mi na mebanya megbla ni bia mi echonwo blofo chon eco brokers me ni domo woke insurance bi ate alo agents ni ameke wa ni insurance ni homo eya hin jemgbe no hwe esano kwe akeshi kechi ale no ni insurance bi efamishika ni nkamenchu ni enye jino ni mawo kedomuna alo enye na keba fitai bona feni inini asheshika chomwe ni ntawono ye jemeno esani insurance biye okwa keta me domoshia me hate jeni meno kamenchuni ni wo ameklokojo alo amebote nunshi no wo ehehia ake insurance bi no keba achuni alo insurance bi ni okohe ba toame ni insurance bi ni okame ba achuni ye beke bi efe o bomoden ake o ba le ameshishujugba o kwe ame ni fe mo ona fe ni moko akashishu bo isani obi ohe ake ale no yeje keji indwene keni bi nefe ni ehia do akeshi mak yale nakai ni majien shika alo nke insurance adomo noko na gbeye ni nagba kokraba ye no se keka gbene uba cha metwese keka gbene akwenofiano ye wolo na pepe ehabo insurance woni bi mono jake mini jino nole ni asoko le nokwe mene hu okase noko Nick Insurance TV da solebi menochi wababeko. Welcome to Nick Insurance TV, where we discuss issues about insurance for the lessons that we need to have when it comes to insurance. This month, we are discussing life insurance. Last week, we considered how you can use your life insurance whilst alive. This week, What are we talking about? The 6 considerations we should give before deciding to use our life insurance policies whilst alive. And so, let's go. First of all, consider and evaluate your needs. Do you really need to borrow from an insurance company based on your insurance policy? Do you really need to use the insurance as a collateral? Do you really need that money for which you want to make a surrender or a withdrawal from an insurance company on your life policy? You need to research about your options so that if there are other options, then you don't need to go into your life insurance and use that whilst alive. So weigh your options, consider and research on options available to you. The third thing you need to do is to speak to a financial advisor. And a financial advisor in the realms of insurance will have the agents, will have the brokers, and we have the risk managers or customer service managers at the various insurance companies. So speak with an advisor. For them, explain your need, they will explain the benefits to you and the implications of if you use your policy as a collateral, for instance. Again, you need to look at the reputation of an insurance company that will give you the right and the needed advice, that will not say to you, you pick up 20 cedis from us and the interest on it is 40 cedis. The reputation of an insurance company helps you know how to handle yourself when it comes to applying for some benefits. If the insurance company is not trustworthy, then you might want to give yourself some consideration. And that leads me to the next thing, that examine the trustworthiness of the insurance company you are dealing with. You need to also consider the cost implication of using your life insurance as a form of a collateral. You need to reconsider the cost implication of if I am surrendering the policy, the penalty that applies to, if there's any at all. These are the 6 considerations I want you to have when you want to use your life insurance whilst alive. Insurance, what do you know? Ade akye yɛn biom, Imam Akwaba eba Nick Insurance TV. Nick Insurance TV, yawada bia yesua afa insurance ho. Sembisa ni say, insurance no, edien pote na wonim wo ho. Anope nso, ya san bebio, die yebesua ni say, yebesua nneɛma o se wodi tutu adwen mu ansa na waye wadwen se abra meti ase no metumi edi me insurance policy, especially life insurance na me wo no me de dwuma ana se meyi mu bi ana se de betumi eboa me ansa na me de adwen ni beto ho se ampa yo me pese me yi me sika no. Edikan, bisa ho se sika na wo koyi no ampa eho hia wo ana se hia papa se wo koyi sika no ana se wo de wo life insurance no ebe kwa akosi anan abra wo pe loan bi eji ana wo ko pesika bi eji se sade a no oye se ho hia na eho hia pa se wobetumi wobeye ne sanso de na watwe asan de to so mieno ye research fa wadwen bobu na bisa wo ho se ye mpesempese mu na bisa ho se ana bisa obi so se anye bia option foforɔ wɔ hɔ ma me a ade foforɔ wɔ hɔ a metumi de ayɛ ade a mepɛ sɛ meyɛ no na sika na mepɛ sɛ megye no metumi anya sika no wɔ baabi foforɔ ana nti wobɛyɛ bit of research na afei wasi ne pi sɛ meekɔ anaasɛ menkɔ. Ɛtɔ so mmiɛnsa bisa obi yɛwɔ wɔn a wɔwɔ nimdie ɛwɔ insurance dwumadie mu a wɔfrɛ no brokers anaa agents anaa insurance customer service officers no wɔwɔ nimdie a wɔbɛtumi akyerɛ wo sɛnea wobɛsi ayɛ nneɛma afa. Sɛ ehia paa sɛ wɔmfa wo life insurance yi ɛnkɔyɛ collateral so ɔmo bɛkyerɛ wo. Deɛ ɛtɔ so biom no hwɛ sɛ company na wɔne ɔmo yɛ adwuma no wɔmo hyehyɛ no ɛte sɛn. Ɔmo ne yɔ ɛte sɛn. Ɛna ankɔba sɛ ɛnɛ wagye 20,000 na ɔkyena wɔbaayɛ no wɔsɛ interest abɛda ho nti ɔwɔ sɛ wotua biribi ɛka ho abere a policy na ahyɛ ase no wanka ndɛm ankyerɛ wo. Nti yɛnya nteaseɛ ɛwɔ deɛ yɛyɛ bia mu. Ɔwɔ sɛ yɛbɛbɔ mmɔden sɛ yɛbɛyɛ mpɛnsɛmpɛnsɛmu afa yɛ life insurance krataa na wɔde ma yɛ no. Yɛnhwɛ mu sɛ yɛte biribiara ase wɔ mu anaa. Na sɛ ntɔ saa deɛ a yɛnbisa na yɛnkyerɛ yɛn ase yie. Ɛsan dɛ company ko a wɔne ɔmo yɛ adwuma no biribi tɔkye ma a wohu wɔn sɛ wɔyɛ nipa a wɔbɛboa wo anaa. Wei ne mpɛnsɛmpɛnsɛmu a wɔsɛ woyɛ ansa na ɛdi kan wɔde wo ho ahyɛ mu. Wɔde wo ho hyɛ mu nso na biribi tɔkye ma a wonim sɛ ɔmo bɛso w'asɛm. Nti wei ɛna yɛreka akyerɛ yɛn. Yɛde yɛ adesua ɛnɛ na yɛabisa sɛ insurance ɛdɛ important paa na yɛnim wɔ mo.